welcome back to the channel. I am feeling good. It is a good day and we are going to do another Spooky Box Club unboxing, and this one is Creepy Cozy, which I'm excited about because I'm all about that cozy life. This was mildly spoiled for me online, but I saw the picture and went no, tried to look away, so I don't know everything. So we've still got some surprises in here, so let's just go ahead and see what we got. Are you ready? You ready? I'm ready. Ooh, okay. So we got these things now instead of doodlies. Ooh, cute. Okay, so this is sitting right here so I don't forget it. But we like surprise. So right on top there's like a big old woolly something that I'm immediately interested in. What are you? This is exciting. I'm not sure what this is. A scarf maybe? I know I can see like bats and what looks like, you know, sort of like cemetery gate, and then some like moon phases along the bottom. So whatever it is, it's really, really cute. I'm just not totally sure. Like maybe some sort of scarf. I don't want to ruin my makeup, but yeah, I'm thinking maybe. I don't know, we'll find out, but whatever it is, it's real cute and it feels real cozy, so I'm happy about it. Even if I couldn't find out what it was, I would find a use for this. So we'll get these out of the way. Our candy is giant ice bombs. They freeze your mouth. Oh my goodness. Okay. I assume it's just minty. I'm sure it's not actually gonna freeze your mouth, but yeah, so we've got these. Ooh! Okay, next up we have our pin. Oh, it's so cute. It is a pretty little skeleton key pin. I love this. This is so cute, so pretty. I feel like it quite fits my style today, actually. Maybe we'll put this on. Can I put this on? Yep. I can't do this without a mirror. I don't know what I'm doing, so we'll put this aside for now, but it's real pretty. I won't read this in case it spoils something that's in here. Okay, ooh! Okay, so we have a tiny box. Oh, cute. Oh, these are nice. Are these? I assume these are earrings. Hold on. They're like cute little dangly skull earrings, which is really cute, so I like that. Can't wait until my newer ear piercings that I got done in my glow up video are like fully healed, so I can start wearing different cute earrings in them, because I'm getting a good little collection going. Oh, okay. So this was one of the things, like the main thing that was spoiled for me. Oh my god, it's so cute though. Hold on, guys. It's an itty bitty little hot water bottle, and I love hot water bottles, and look at this little cover. That is so cute. It says cozier than a coffin at midnight, which is just adorable, and it's nice. And especially because my attic's so cold, this would be nice to just kind of sit with. That's like really nice quality as well. Like I really love, like it's a nice sort of like, it's not velvet, it's like that sort of like plush that feels a bit velvety, and then it has like the really lovely embroidery and stuff. It's just so cute and pretty and like elegant and nice, and I love cozy things, so we're happy with this. Oh, some sort of necklace perhaps? Oh, this is cute. So yeah, it's a little necklace. This is very strega, or like sort of like forest witchy. It's like a nice little dainty necklace that has an antler and like a little pine cone. So that is really, really cute. I love that. I'll definitely have to wear that when I'm doing some of my witchy looks. Oh, down the last thing. And it has more cute little greeting cards. So these are ghostly greetings, and it has like a little spooky ghost, and someone's given him a little present and he's real happy about it. And if not, that's not just the cutest darn thing ever. And it has like the little stickers that go on the envelopes. That's real cute. Okay, so let's see what this little piece of paper was. Okay, it's just a hot water bottle safety information. Okay, so let's read our little thing, see what we've got. Custom made cozy vampire neck warmer. Okay, it is a neck warmer, so it's like a sort of like scarfy type thing. So that's cute. I want to put it on, but I know I'll just take my entire face off with it if I try, because I'm too clumsy. But it's really cute, and I really like this. Custom made skeleton key pin. Yes, we got that. Love that. Custom made mini hot water bottle and cover. Yes, I love it. Custom made antler and pine cone necklace. Custom made ghostly greeting card set. Yep. Custom made skull earrings, and those are stainless steel. Yes. And ice bombs, bubblegum candy. Cool, that's awesome. So I feel like there wasn't a ton in this box, but the stuff we did get was like really, really good. Like these two definitely steal the show. This is just amazing. This is so beautiful and like nice quality and just really unique and cute. And this is adorable as well. Like the knitting pattern and stuff on it is so, so nice. So yeah, this box didn't have a ton, but it was definitely more quality over quantity, I think. So I'm happy with this regardless. I love this so much. So thank you for watching. Let me know what your favorite thing in the box was. Let me know what your favorite way to get cozy is. That's fun. Tell me like your favorite way to get real cozy, because I love the cozy life, so need your inspiration. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, always really appreciate that. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. We have lots more videos that you can check out, so go ahead, see if you like the channel. If you do, join the family. And before you go, if you could do one little thing for me that would make me so happy, if you could check out my Patreon, I would love you forever and ever. Patreon is a website that lets you tip your favorite creators for the content they make, and it's just a really nice way to give back and say thank you if you enjoy these videos and keep me going so I can pay my rent. So yeah, if you want to check out my Patreon, that would be amazing. The link, as always, is in the description along with a lot of other stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, lovelies!